Alright everybody, this will be the final video of the 2006 Troy-Bilt lawnmower. It's got a new engine, it's got a new side discharge, which I don't have because I just mowed with it. But you saw it in the first video of this thing with the Honda motor. It's got a new blade, and it's got a new starter loop, and as you can see it's got a new handle because the other one, it just broke. I switched it before I started mowing with it. You'll see that in the 2 mowing videos. It's got this. It's got a brand new air filter. And this thing's pretty much ready to go, except I gotta run it a little bit more and get a couple zip ties for this cable, but I'm still doing the final video because school starts for me tomorrow and I won't have much time because I'll be getting homework. But anyway, this mower runs really well and I haven't cleaned it up yet, but I eventually will. Anyways, let me go ahead and give you guys a start. As you can see, it runs really well, and hopefully this thing should get sold pretty quickly because it's got the Honda motor, it's got a side discharge, it's got a bag, and this is a pretty nice lawnmower. Yeah. This engine swap turned out to be successful. Hopefully it's not a failure. Anyway, I changed the oil on it, as I forgot to mention. And I'm very happy I didn't have to do any work to the carburetor because these Honda carburetors are pretty difficult to work on. But I've actually done it before and I've kind of gotten the hang of it. I'm very glad that this motor ended up working out. I would have been really upset if it didn't. All the bolts lined up, as it did with the old motor. And so this thing works. So I'll go ahead and give it a good cleaning and get it ready for sale.